everybody, I'm going to go over our Optic Scarf, and the first thing I want to do is show you how to put the, say for instance if you had to wash it, they do get dirty because they do wash your devices, your eyeglasses, so I'm just going to rotate the phone here a little bit so that you can see. So I create a little, so I take about the center, and I hold it there, so I've got a hole, it's split in half, so I'm gonna just stick the one half through. It looks like a bit of a twist, and this is how you get like a shirt tie look when it's all said and done on the key ring part. Okay, so then, and there you go. So I pull that down a little bit, make it neat and tidy, and it just either hangs off of my purse, or you hang it off your lunch pail, your luggage, just loose in the car, on a keychain. And I also wanted to show you how I use it, whether it's for, I've got my tablet here, you can see all those fingerprints and stuff from me playing bingo. So I'll just do a quick wipe, get all the dust and fingerprints off, so that, and then just a quick wipe. And it's so handy because it's easy to grab, easy to use, it won't scratch, and voila, streak free, no marks. I also use it on my glasses. I'm constantly wiping my glasses. And of course, again, it won't take any films off. The window cloth, ironically, is a little bit more abrasive, may take a coating off, so that's why I recommend an Optic Scarf. But other than that, all right, thank you for watching.